Hello children, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss class 4 Social Studies workbook page 88 lesson 5 agriculture in India. Identify the crops in these pictures. So you have to identify what crop is this, okay? These are the pictures. One by one you have to identify and write each name in the given blanks below. So this is homework for you. Do it by yourself. B. Write whether these crops are cash crops or food crops. Here 6 crops are given here. What we have to do is that we have to write whether these crops are cash crops or food crops. What do you mean by food crops? Food crops means the crops which are grown for food, that is to feed people. And what do you mean by cash crops? Cash crops means cash crops are grown for as raw materials. They are grown for raw materials. They are grown as raw materials for the industries and they are sold. They are grown for selling. So let us check it out. 1. Spices. Spices are cash crops. 2. Millets. Millets are also cash crops. 3. Coffee. Coffee is a cash crop. 4. Cotton. Cotton is also a cash crop. Why these are cash crops? Because these all are grown as a raw material for the industries. Pulses. Pulses are food crops. These are grown to feed people for food. 6. Rubber. Rubber is a cash crop. Why? Because rubber is grown as a raw material for the industries, and in industries they will manufacture. In industries, the rubber is manufactured into finished goods. Like for example, tires. So I hope you understood about the difference between cash crops and food crops. So among all these 6 crops, only pulses are food crops and all others are cash crops. Next, agriculture in India, page 89. Read the clues and name the crops to solve the crossword. So here, some crosswords are given here. What we have to do is that we have to read the clues according to the question number. According to the question number, we have to write. So, across, which are the question? Across 2, 5, 7 and 8. So the question 2, 5, 7 and 8. These are the questions which we have to write across, that is horizontally. So let us check it out. First, let us solve across. 2. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of this sweet crop in India. So Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane. The answer is sugarcane. Right here, Sugarcane. Next, 5. Question 5. Coarse grains that grow in dry climate. Coarse grains that grow in dry climate. That is, here we have to write millets. 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 Next, question 7. Most of the dishes we eat in India cannot be made without this extract. What is the answer? The answer is oilseeds. So, most of the food we cannot eat without oil, that is oilseeds. From oilseeds we extract oil, we get oil. So most of the dishes we eat in India cannot be made without oil, which we get from oilseeds. So the answer is 7. This is 7, right? Oilseeds, oilseeds. Next, 8. Staple food for the people of northern India. The answer is right, wheat. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food. It means that wheat is the common food for all the people living in northern India, in the northern part of India. So I hope you understood about across. Next, down. Now we will write down, that is vertically. Which are the questions we have to write vertically? 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. So let us check it out. 1. This plant is used as a raw material to make ropes. The answer is this is 1. What we have to write here vertically, downwards, that is jute, right? Jute. So jute is grown by the farmers, and from jute, what do we get? We get ropes. Means jute is a raw material which is sent to the industries, and in industry they will manufacture into ropes. So jute is the plant which is used as a raw material to make ropes. To make ropes, what do we use? We use jute. Next 3, an important raw material for industries. Answer is rubber. This is 3, right? Rubber. So rubber is one of the important raw material which is used in the industries to manufacture different goods. Next 4, the question is also known as paddy. This is 4, which is also known as paddy rice. Rice. What is the other name of rice? Paddy. Next 6, grown mostly in Kerala. This is 6. So which crop is grown mostly in Kerala? That is spices. Spices are grown mostly in Kerala, right? Spices, spices. Next 9, a beverage introduced to India by the British. It is 9, right? Tea. Tea is the beverage introduced to India by the British. The British introduced tea in India. And what do you mean by beverage? Means which we drink. Those are known as beverage. So tea is the beverage introduced to India by the British. So dear children, I hope you understood about page 89. Next, industries of India 6a. Name a type of industry for this goods. So different goods are given here. So we have to write in which type of industry these goods are produced. These goods are manufactured. We have to write the types of industries. So let us check it out. 1. Candles. Candles are manufactured in cottage industries. What do you mean by cottage industries? The industries where we can start this work even at our home with the help of our family members. And these industries do not require machines, big or small machines. So candles are produced in cottage industries. 2. Handmade soap. Handmade soap is also produced in cottage industries. 3. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is manufactured in large scale industries. Why? Because to manufacture aeroplane, large machines are needed, and large number of people are also involved in these types of industries. 4. Pottery items. Pottery items, this is the cottage industry. Jute bag. So in cottage industries, jute bag is made. And woolen soles, where woolen soles are made? Woolen soles are made in cottage industries. 7. Honey. Honey is also cottage industries. 8. Motorcycle. Motorcycle are manufactured in large scale industries as they need large machines to manufacture. 9. Computers. Computers are also manufactured in large scale industries. And hand embroidered sarees. Hand embroidered sarees are manufactured in cottage industries. So dear children, these are the goods, manufactured things, and these things are manufactured in different types of industries. So these are the answers. Next, B. Look at the pictures and write R for raw materials and M for manufactured products. So look at these pictures and you have to write whether these are raw materials or manufactured goods, that is manufactured products. If it is a raw material, write R, and if it is manufactured products, write M. What do you mean by raw materials? Means which are taken to the industries and they are made into different goods, different things. Manufactured products are those things which are made from raw materials in the industries and which are ready to use. So dear children, this is a homework for you, so do it by yourself. So dear children, I hope you understood about 5 and 6, agriculture in India and industries of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.